Hey guys, it's Blind Toes. What's up? Today's video number 8 of my top blind skills, and today's skill is gonna be baking. Oh yeah, blind and visually impaired people, yes, we can bake. And I know there is blind and visually impaired bakers, you know. Hey, no, that is real skill. It's a good skill to know too, even if you're not much of a baker like me, because I'm more of a cooking, because I like to improvise some of my cooked food. But I do know a little bit of cooking, so it does help in a pinch, if I come across a recipe on a YouTube, and at least I know that I can be safe and properly measure the ingredients for the say cookies or cakes or a cheesecake. Hey, yeah, and brownies too, at least I know a little bit of those techniques that I can bake something. Yes, it is a universal skill, but for the blind and visually impaired, it's even more, because hey, we get to flex our skills even more, because we don't have sight or some sight, because it's also a confidence builder, just like cooking. But baking, you're more precise, with the measurements, because hey, if something's a little bit off, it could be either grainy, dry, or really plain tasting. So hey, so props to the blind and visually impaired bakers. You guys are awesome, because hey, I only know a little bit, so hey. And some of them like to bake from scratch. Hey, that's even more of a skill, because baking from scratch is a lot of work. I'm more of a box baker, go to the store, buy a brownie mix or a cake mix, or maybe the just ready to go cookie dough. Hey, that's just me. You're probably different from me, because you probably like to bake from scratch. Hey, I got nothing wrong with it, okay? Because that's just me. Hey, baking from scratch is a lot of work, but hey, when it comes out, it tastes very good. Hey, because for me, I'm hoping that I'm not repeating myself like an idiot. It's a good, a useful skill, even if you're not much of a baker. So if you do want to bake, learn to bake, just call up your state a blind center and ask them, or tell them that I would like to learn how to bake, because it does come in handy too, because hey, we may be blind and visually impaired, we can be safe, yeah, we're safe, because we just all it takes is the techniques, and then just organization, because last week I asked my friends if baking was a skill. They said yes, and I didn't know that, and then I stepped back, thought about it, and yeah, it is. Hey, you learn something new, right? So yeah, so you like to bake? Hey, go for it. You just like cooking, you can flex your creativity with the flavors and different flavor combinations of fillings, frosting. Hey, and there might be savory ones or sweet ones. Hey, both pretty good, and it's still gonna go in my tummy. Right? Hey, and if you have kids, hey, it's a family thing too, you know. Have your kid help you out, you know, because so they can enjoy baking too, or like with you too, right? You know. All right. What am I forgetting? Am I forgetting anything else? Let's see. Cover, you know, baking, you know, being safe. Let me see now. The techniques, and if you want to go to your state, you know, blind center. Oh yeah, that's it. And then, you know, and the skill. Yep, it is a handy skill, right? But hey, it's up to you to see what you want to make. You know, heck, man, you know, you can make a, you know, I don't know, some kind of to-go bakery necklace or a bracelet. Just wear it around you. Ooh, hey, it might be sticky, but hey, it's sticky but good, you know? So, alright, so thanks for watching my video. This video, hopefully I entertained and you know, and give you some good information. And like, if you're new to my channel and my videos and like you like it, please, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button with your toe and ring that notification bell too. And if you do like this video, hey, give it a toes up or a 2 toes up, right? And I will catch you for the next one. Laters.